Hi, my name is Frank. These folks here have come up here to St. John's Church in Chambersburg tonight to teach line dancing. This line dancing is called the El Paso. It is done to the song by Brooks and Dunn called Neon Moon. So how do we do this? We're going to show this first to you going straight forward. And then we're going to get in the circular format which the line dance is done to. So the way you do this is the lady puts her left hand in your left hand, and your right hand is holding her like this in the schottisch position. We're going to start off with our right foot, both the man and the woman. So we're going to go heel, cross over, toe, right, left, right. So then we're going to do a basic cha-cha move. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha, back, 2, cha-cha-cha. Now we're going to do a half of turn in the cha-cha. We're going to go left, right, cha-cha-cha. Now we're going to do what we call a sway. We're going to exchange weight. We're going to go right, left, left. And now we're going to kind of march forward. Right, 2, 3, left, 2, 3, right, 2, 3, and start again. Heel, toe, 1, 2. Basic cha-cha, 1, 2, cha-cha-cha, back, 2. Now we turn. Left, right, cha-cha-cha, right, left, right, 2, 3, left, 2, 3, right, 2, 3, left, 2, 3. Now we're going to pivot and do it in a circle. Okay, everybody ready? All right, ready? Here we go. Heel, toe, cha-cha, basic. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha, back, 2, now we turn. Left, right, cha-cha-cha, right, left, right, 2, 3, left, 2, 3, right, 2, 3, left, heel, toe, cha-cha-cha, 1, 2, cha-cha-cha, back, 2, now we turn. Left, right, cha-cha-cha, right, left, right, 2, 3, left, 2, 3, right, 2, 3, and left, 2, 3. That is the El Paso. Now you can turn to the demo with the music on it.